Hello, my name is Ramil Sibilia, and this is my task 2 for C464. The target audience for this presentation is everyone concerned about climate change and the environment. An ever-growing population means an ever-growing requirement for energy. Nowadays, energy is involved in every human activity. There are two classifications of energy sources, renewable and non-renewable energy. It is essential to be aware of the terrifying fact that non-renewable energy sources like fossil fuels, coal, and natural gas will eventually deplete. However, today we have an abundance of these resources. Unfortunately, if we keep extracting them, they will run out sooner or later. This presentation briefly touches on a few points of why we should consider changing to a renewable energy as an alternative energy source, with significant emphasis on solar panel technology and wind power. But what exactly is renewable energy? Energy derived from natural resources. Natural resources such as sunlight, wind, or biomass are accessible nearly everywhere. They are virtually inexhaustible. And more importantly, they cause little climate or environmental damage. Research suggests transitioning to a renewable energy as an alternative energy source is the pathway to a healthier and livable planet, because it will lessen climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improve our health and the environment by decreasing pollution. Today, I will discuss these two main points. Renewable energy lessen climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and renewable energy will improve our health and the environment by decreasing air pollution. Energy is at the heart of the current climate challenge. A big piece of the greenhouse gases and the carbon dioxide that covers the earth is generated through traditional energy production by burning fossil fuels to generate electricity and heat. On the other hand, renewable energy is considered clean energy generated from natural resources provided by the sun, wind, or waste. Sources replenished by nature and emit little to no greenhouse gases. One method of renewable energy technology becoming increasingly popular is the photovoltaic system, PV for short, or commonly known as the solar panel systems. The solar panel system is fueled by the sunlight, turning sunshine, photons, into electricity, voltage, through a scientific phenomenon known as the photovoltaic effect, making it a renewable source of energy that will never run out. Switching to a clean energy such as solar or wind power does help address climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving our health and the environment by decreasing air pollution, which brings me to my next point. According to the World Health Organization, almost 99% of the world population breathes air that exceeds air quality limits and threatens their health. More than 13 million die yearly to environmental causes, including air pollution. Wind and solar power are considered eco-friendly because they emit zero toxic gases into the atmosphere. Using a renewable energy source will dramatically improve unhealthy air quality levels, mainly from burning fossil fuels, and drastically reduce air pollution. And this is why research suggests that switching to a renewable energy source such as solar or wind is the pathway to a healthier and livable planet. It will lessen climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improve our health and the environment by decreasing pollution. During this presentation, I just discussed why renewable energy emits zero greenhouse gases, which is suitable for climate change, and clean energy such as solar or wind power will definitely improve our health and the environment by reducing air pollution. Consider switching to a renewable energy source such as wind or solar, your choice. There are plenty of these resources, and you are one less household relying on fossil fuels, causing environmental damage. Together, we can prevent the worst impacts of climate change, improve the air quality, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Thank you.